phone ain't good. Yes guys, so today we're on a bird hunting mission, you know. Good. Come on. I drop it, drop it. Oh god. That one they gone, me almost shoot me now with him gone. I'm going to apple tree right now. Right on I need apple tree. Alright, so them there right now. They might eat the apple them, you know? Forward. I'm follow me in the apple tree right now. Come on the right, that's not too, but they're coming right in up even. Watch. One bigger one there. Miss him.
Oh, we bird then just get all the apple them
Yeah.
for free. So one up the couple of them up
Couple of
there.
them look so yeah, but you know that easy to shoot, you know. But it's tiny. See? One gone over this back. A long time I shoot bird, you know. Long time, years. Over how much? Probably over 20 odd years. I don't fire one catapult, one slingshot. Yeah man. But I'm gonna try to get one today hopefully. Cause like I said guys, we have a whole bunch of them in our tree right so. I'm gonna feed pan in ripe apple them. Good old Jamaican apple, you know? Yeah man. Ooh, let's pick an apple. That's the apple me I shoot right now. I'm not shoot none yet. I'll go back over that side there. Guys, can you see a ball plate? If it's not a ball plate, it's a dump. round up. So change up my bullet and use one marble right now. Use one of them marble here because them tough. Come like the licking parotid in a budge. Come like the one they get with ball plate meat sweet, you know. Yeah man, ball plate of the blackbird and with the white in them head. You know? Yeah. Damn. Anyhow, man, shoot that one there. You know? Trouble. I'm gonna just light up the fire right now, film. Yeah. This is the pear tree and the apple tree. Them loaded right now with birds. Loaded. Just one more shoot, you know. Just one. Yes guys, so today I wasn't so lucky to shoot any birds or anything like that, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go inside, go in the fridge and find something to cook. You know what I mean? You want to do a little catch and cook type of thing, you know, bird hunting edition, but didn't work out that way, so we're going to the house right now and cook some food and we're going to see what's going on. Yeah man.